How was the airplane invented, and how did one man make the world's fastest flying airplane? So let's know the whole story. In 1250, a scientist named Roger Bacon wrote about mechanical flight in his book, but no one paid attention to it. Then, in 1485 to 1500, Leonardo da Vinci designed a flying machine and parachute. Now in the year 87 to 83, the Fair brothers showed the world by making the first lighter-than-air vehicle, i.e. a balloon. After that, in 1903, Orville Wright and Wilbur Wright flew the first successful self-propelled airplane. But complete success was not yet achieved, because we had to make an airplane that could fly with humans seated in it. Now finally, in the year 1924, the first and successful flight of a passenger plane took place in America. After that, many big companies still make planes. But how? Let's now know how such big planes are made, and in how many days a plane is ready. Making an airplane is a very laborious job which is beyond the capability of ordinary people. That is why the companies that make airplanes get this work done by the world's top engineers in their factory. That is why airplanes are made in the factory with the help of big machines and engineers. Friends, today we will meet the airplane manufacturing company Boeing, which is at the forefront in making big airplanes. The company easily makes an airplane within just 8 to 10 days. Making it in such a short time is not an easy task for any company. Friends, to make an airplane, the company first prepares the structure of the body of the plane. The company prepares this round structure in 3 different parts. After preparing these 3 structures, they are taken to the fitting department, where the front and back parts of these 3 are joined together. Here, this machine locks the joints of these 3 parts properly and joins them firmly. Then after joining these 3 parts of the plane, the body of the plane is prepared from inside, where the gate, window, and interior of the plane are prepared. After this, the entire body of the plane is packed properly from inside. The company completes all this work well within 3 days. On the 4th day, both the wings of the plane are installed, and then they are mixed well and tightened. After this, the wheels are fixed in the plane, and then on the 5th day, the operating system of the plane is fitted, and on the other hand, the finishing of the inside of the plane is done. After this, all the necessary things are brought and kept inside the plane and fitted. Here, all the cupboards are installed properly in the plane. Now at the last, the sim is also installed and fixed inside the plane. On the 6th day, the engine is fitted in the plane. One engine is installed on the right wing of the plane, and the other engine is installed on the left wing of the plane. After this, many types of tests are done on the plane. Every system of the plane is checked from inside to outside. Now on the 7th day, the plane is taken for painting. Here the plane is painted, and along with that the company's name, plane, name and number logos are also put on the plane. After all this work is done, on the 8th day, your plane is completely ready. After it is ready, the company tests the plane in every way by bringing it out of the factory, running the plane, and then flying it. After the